Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ezenaya Delight, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you guys how to generate AI images for free. Where the work is not even in the animation of the images, it's in the generating, how to generate it. So you can use any apps like Grok, Pixaverse or Runway to put motion in the images by telling AI to make the image to do a certain movement or to say something. So that one is a lot easier, but in today's video I'll just teach you guys how to create those images for free using Chat GPT. It's not hard, it's a lot easier, so if you stay to the end you will get to know how it can easily be done. Okay, with that much being said, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I had to do was to say, help me write a script on the title Fake Friend. Let the characters be more than 2 but nothing less than 3. Video length should reach 5 minutes or more than. You can copy that. Okay, I've already given ChatGPT a topic and an instruction for it to follow, and it delivered successfully. So the story is nice with dialogues, and I like to compliment it. I was just like, thanks for the script, because it's very nice and it's something that can grab attention. So the next thing I did was to say, please can you help me with to create the image prompts for this story with consistent characters. You can also copy this. I said, please can you help me create an image of each scenes with consistent characters. So it has to create image prompt so that if you copy that image, you send it back to ChatGPT for it to generate the images according to the video. The story, it will generate it according to the story it brought out for you. So it was supposed to give me a topic, but the theme Fake Friend is a very nice attention grabbing topic, so it has to go along with it. And these are the different characters in the story and how they will look like. When I sent the prompt, it seems ChatGPT did not understand well, so I had to correct it. This is AI, so you have to tell it that if it does not give you what you want, you have to keep questioning it before it offers you the right thing. So what I just said was, if this is not what I told you, please just give me the right thing. So once it brings out the image prompt for you, the next thing is to copy each of the scenes one by one, then go back to the features of each of those characters. You are going to paste the features where you see any of the character names in the scene. For instance, if you see Maya, you copy Maya's attributes and paste the features after Maya. Okay, watch closely to see what I mean. AI is always happy when you correct it. So when you keep correcting it, it becomes perfect. Okay, so I've copied one of the scenes. So this is Maya. I have to copy Maya's features and come to Maya at this point. After it, you now paste the features. And another one is Jessica. This is Jessica. You have to go to Jessica features and copy Jessica, then come after it and paste it. This is how you keep doing it, each of the scene, for you to get the perfect consistent character features you need. So that's why I said this is where the work is. This is really where the work is. So you have to keep doing it for each of the scenes. Okay, so I was done putting in the features, then I had to send it. And another thing, if you're making for YouTube video, the aspect ratio should be 16.9, and if it's for TikTok, it should be TikTok or Instagram, it should be 9.16. Okay, these are they asked image 1 or image 2, which one is good. The image 2 is nice for thumbnail. The color grading is very nice. Then I'll just use image 1 for the video, so that I love the 2 images, but I think the second one is for thumbnail. So I'm also going to do the same thing for the scene 2. I think it's up to 6 scenes, so this is just what I'm going to be doing. So at the top I'll write create me an image of, and I'll now copy the scene 2, then put in the characters features, then at the end I'll be like aspect ratio 16.9 because it's for YouTube. We'll wait for the images to create, and this is the image. Okay. This is good, as if ChatGPT know that I chose the first image as the main video, huh? So here I had to send the image 4 prompt, and they were like, we are sorry, but the image you created was no, blah blah blah. So what I did, I just had to, to correct it. I had to copy the one I sent already, and I was like, write this so that it will not violate their laws, because I don't really understand why they gave me a story and they're telling me that the image they created is violating their law. Like, what is this? That's AI for you. But it's fine. At the end they'll still generate it, but it's just that I don't know why they keep doing this. So after I'm done, I had to send it, and it kind of generated it as well. So I did the same for image 5 prompts, and I was like, please create me an image of the 5th prompt, and it did that same thing that is violating. I was like, why is this so? And they gave me reasons, and it was like, okay, use this safer version. I had to copy it and paste, and yes, the image started creating. So this is the image. Okay, this is nice. So I have to save it. I have to long press it and tap on save, and it will save to my device gallery. So when I generate it in any of the AI generating app, I'm going to move it to CapCut and add those clips together to make a full complete video for YouTube or any other apps. Okay, don't forget, so this is the last scene. When you copy the scene, you paste it here. Then when you paste it at the top, you write create me an image of. Then anywhere you see the characters, you move to the character features, copy it one by one, then come at the end of each of the characters and paste it. After pasting, you come at the end of it and write aspect ratio. So you can write 16.9. So if you also want to correct it, you can also retry, then put 9.16. Or if you want to save, you can also do it there, and according to how you want the video structure to look like. So I hope we all understood what I said, and this is very easy though. It's very easy. So this is the last image, the image 6. So I have to save it to my gallery. I hope this was helpful. Yeah. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. I would like to see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.